So it should be pretty obvious by now that all men should be taking care of themselves. That means getting in the gym, that means eating the right things, that means taking care of your skin, your hair, your nails, all of these things. But one thing that a lot of us forget in all of this is you have to take care of your hygiene all together. And that's why I'm so excited today, because I'm gonna be partnering with MANSCAPED. So if you see any of the men's optimization channels, you've obviously heard of MANSCAPED before. MANSCAPED is a company that has an all-in-one system to take care of all of your grooming needs. So without further ado, let's break down their Platinum Package 4.0. You're gonna get a ton of stuff in this Platinum Package, and I can tell you right now, when this stuff showed up at my door, I was humbly surprised because I didn't think I was gonna be getting this much in my package. And of course, your balls will thank you. So let's start with their flagship product. And we all know it, it is the buzzer for, you guessed it, your balls. So this guy right here is the Lawnmower 4.0. So I've used a lot of buzzers in my time, and I can tell you right now that there's nothing more uncomfortable than going, into those uncomfortable places of your body with a buzzer that, you don't know if it's gonna clip, you don't know if it's gonna nick, and it can get very, very, very dicey very quickly. This guy isn't just for your selected areas. I do use this guy on my beard to trim around. I do use it on my arm hair. I use it on my chest. I use it on my shoulders. I even use it on my back from time to time. Whether you're trying to manage your beard, your back, your balls, whatever it is, this guy is gonna come in handy. I love it because it's 100% waterproof, it's cordless, and I can take it in the shower with me, get the job done, get out, rinse off, completely cool. It has this cool little LED light on it, so it helps you see in the dark. I don't know why you'd be shaving in the dark, but if you're doing that, you've got the LED just in case. And unlike most buzzers, it's got ceramic blades, unlike those metal blades underneath that can cut and cause a lot of damage. These guys are nice and soft. It has that skin-safe technology that Manscaped is known for. This guy lasts up to 90 minutes on one charge, so if it takes you 90 minutes, I mean, you've got a lot of body hair, but hey, you're gonna be set. I really like this guy just because it fits in my hand perfectly. It's not too big, it's not too small. It just feels nice and it's got a great grip to it. Let's say you don't like that bare look. It does come with a couple of these little shaver guards that, you can use to decide how long you want the hair on your body. And how about a cool little stand for it so it looks even more chic when it's sitting on your counter. So one thing I really like about this guy is I can use it on my arm hair, my leg hair, my chest hair, all of these areas. Unlike other trimmers, I feel like they miss a lot of spots. You have to go over it 3 or 4 times. This guy, it's literally just one pass and we're done. Next up, we have the Weed Whacker. I'm not gonna lie to you, I do have a lot of ear and nose hair. And as much as there's not a lot I can do about that because genetic, I'm lucky that I have something like this to take care of it. I do not like going out in public and having crazy frizzled nose hairs. I know we've all seen those guys out there walking around. It's like, why didn't you keep that thing kept? Well, most of them, they don't realize that you can just get one of these bad boys and have the job done in about 30 seconds. I used to be the guy who would pluck my nose hairs or wax my nose hairs or anything like that, which was just super uncomfortable. And now I just go in with this guy, quick 30 seconds buzzed, and I'm all good. This guy is super quiet, super safe. It's got that skin safe technology that the buzzer does as well. So it's not gonna pull, it's not gonna rip anything. It just gets in there and it gets the job done really quick. Now I've got to clean all this up. Just like the lawnmower, this guy is completely waterproof and completely cordless, so you can take it in the shower, take it wherever you want to go, and it'll get the job done. What if you're a guy without nose or ear hair? Do you really need this guy? Absolutely. I think you should just have it in your arsenal just for later. And even if you don't use it, it makes a great gift. So I was actually going to go out and buy some new body wash and shampoo and conditioner, and these guys came and I completely forgot that they were in there. This is their body wash and their 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and I can tell you right now that the smell is absolutely insane. It's got that strong cologne scent in it that makes you feel manly when you're washing with it. So the body wash is infused with aloe vera and sea salt, which keeps your body feeling clean, refreshed, smooth, and I don't even know how to describe it except for the fact that I feel amazing after I wash with this stuff. And it's so nice to have a product that has a 2-in-1 in it. Keeps me cool, clean, and refreshed without having to go out and get multiple products. The cool part about all of their products is they're dermatologist tested, they're vegan, they're dye-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. So much freedom in these products. If that wasn't enough, they're made right here in the USA. Moving on to their deodorant, and I didn't even know that Manscaped made deodorant until this guy came in, and I was pleasantly surprised because a lot of these companies, when they come out with a deodorant, it doesn't smell that good and it doesn't look that good. This one is a gel, it's a clear gel that does not stain any black clothing or any clothing when you put it on your underarms, and it smells fantastic. It has that manly, woody smell that the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash have, and I'm big on looks, and this guy is just so sleek. I can throw it in my bag, and the spin-off top is amazing. And just to test it out, they say that this guy won't leave any marks on black shirts, so obviously black shirt, I don't see anything, so I think we're good. And this one makes me laugh because they actually have a deodorant for your balls. So your armpits aren't the only thing that stink, and the only reason you catch that is because it's up next to your head and you can smell it. But please, 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 for the love of God, take care of down there. Whether you're just out of the shower or you just need to feel a little bit of a clean pick-me-up down there, just use a little bit of the ball deodorant. I promise you, it's gonna change your life. It's actually a moisturizer as well. And your little guys down there, they need to be taken care of just the same as the rest of your body. So this guy comes in clutch for any of those situations. You don't need any of that powder anymore. You don't need any of that stuff. Just throw on some of their ball deodorant and I promise you, you're going to feel amazing, refreshed, and clean all throughout the day. But let's say you're running out of the house, you don't have time to take a shower, you don't have time to put on your ball deodorant, you don't have time to do any of that. It is okay because they have the Crop Reviver. Basically what this guy is, I want you to think about a cologne for your balls. So let's say you're running out the door, 1 to 2 sprays of this guy, and you are gonna be all clean and all set to go for the rest of your day. Just like the rest of their products, the smell of this thing is absolutely unreal. I would not be surprised if I just take this once in a while and throw it on just in case I'm running out of the house and I need to smell good really quick. And of course, Manscaped is gonna hook it up when you go with the Platinum package. So what you're also gonna get is their pouch to carry all of your little goodies in it and their amazing anti-chafe boxer briefs. This little guy is great because it keeps all of my products in one spot under my sink, and also it's easy to travel with. This thing is big enough and convenient enough that I threw everything that I had on the counter in here and I still have room for a toothbrush and any other overnight accessories that I might need. Let's talk about their premium anti-chafe boxer briefs. So whether I'm just lounging around in the house in these bad boys or they're under my shorts, I'm going to the gym, I'm going walking around throughout the day, these guys are keeping me extremely, extremely cool, which makes sense. If you're upgrading all of your other stuff, why wouldn't you upgrade to a premium set of boxers that just enhances what the product does for you? So I'll be excited to get this entire kit over and over and over again, but getting a pair of boxers with it just kind of threw these guys over the edge, so 100% A+ for that. I'm so stoked that Manscaped wanted to work with me on this. I absolutely love the products. I didn't know what to expect when they first came, but after using them for a little bit, I can tell you right now that I'm hooked on them. And I think you guys should really give them a shot if you haven't before. You can even opt into the Peak Hygiene plan. That means you can schedule a replenishment of any of your products at any time and cancel hassle-free. And each Peak Hygiene plan replenishment, it comes with a special free gift. So if you're still having second thoughts about this, you've definitely missed something because this is an awesome value for what you're getting and you need to head over to Manscaped right now and check them out. Because the premium package bundle has everything you're gonna need in it. Why would you go out and buy a bunch of different products and be going to all these different stores to get everything when you can have a one-stop shop, get everything you need in one cool bag for yourself? When it comes to grooming, there's 3 big zones you gotta remember: your butt, your balls, and your body. And you know that if you're using Manscaped, you've got all of them covered. And if you guys head over to Manscaped right now and use my code SSTYLE at checkout, you're gonna get 20% off. So you're getting this entire bundle plus 20% off and free shipping. I don't know if it can get much better than that. So once again, I'm thrilled to be working with Manscaped. I'm gonna be working with them for a very, very long time because I trust the product. I put my name behind the product and I think you guys are gonna love every second of using any one of the things that you saw here today. So thanks again, Manscaped. I appreciate you, appreciate the support. But guys, like I said again, go over to Manscaped, check them out, SSTYLE at checkout, get yourself 20% off and free shipping. Until I see you again, we'll talk soon. You!